Hello there, Nakul here and welcome back on How About Tech. Today I will show you some tips and tricks and tell you about some hidden features which you might not know about your iPhone. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and also make sure to press the bell icon. Now let's begin. Let's start with the backtest feature. You can set up a backtest on your iPhone which will trigger a response such as I have selected a screenshot for double tap, and when I double tap on the back of my phone, it takes a screenshot. Similarly, you can set up a response for triple tap also. To enable this feature, go to your settings, then click on accessibility, then touch, and at the bottom enable the back tap option. As you can see, there are two options, double tap and triple tap. And there's a long list of features you can enable with both the options. In my case, when I double tap on the back of my screen, it takes a screenshot, and when I triple tap on the back, it opens the control center. As you can see, it is a very handy feature, but it is not available on all the iPhones. It doesn't work on the iPhones which are older than iPhone 8. Now let's move on to guided access. It is a very useful feature which lets you keep your iPhone in a single app and allows you to control which features are available. What it basically does is, when you give your phone to someone to show them something on your screen and you don't want them to take control of your phone, you can restrict them to that screen with the help of guided access. To turn it on, go to settings, then accessibility, and at the bottom you will see guided access. Turn that on and you can enable this feature by triple tapping on the side button. Let me show you with an example. Let's say if you give someone to make a call and you want to restrict them from using these below options, what you will do is quickly triple tap to turn on the guided access, and you can encircle the area which you want to disable. So let's encircle this bottom area. It will now be disabled for the user. Just click on start and they cannot click on these features as they are disabled. The next feature on our list is the spotlight search. You can slide down from the home screen to bring up the spotlight search. You can search apps, contacts, messages, etc. as well as you can do basic calculations without opening the calculator app, such as 4 minus 2. It will give you answer here only, and there's no need to open the calculator app for basic calculations. And when you slide down on the slider bar, it brings the screen down so that you can reach corners easily with just one hand. You can enable this feature on older iPhones by double tapping the Touch ID. The next trick is for easy scrolling through a long page. You can press and hold the scroll bar to easily navigate to the top or to bottom of the page, and to quickly go back at the start, just tap on the top of the screen and it will take you to the start in no time. The next step is to quickly share your screenshots. When you take a screenshot, you can quickly share it by long pressing on the screenshot, and you don't have to save it, then go in gallery and then share it. You can easily share from here. Also, you can mark up the screenshot directly from here, and you can also delete it from here without saving it if you don't need it. The next tip is for Safari users. To quickly see your history in Safari, long press the back button and it will show you the list of pages, and you can navigate to any of the page directly by clicking on it. And to see which tabs you recently closed, just long tap on the plus icon here and it will show you history of the tabs which you closed, and you can open them quickly directly from here. To search amongst the tab, there is a search bar on the top. Type anything and it will show you the relevant page to the search term. Next is a very handy tip to turn your speakers louder. Go into setting, then go into music, and in the EQ option, select the late night. It will significantly make your speakers louder than before. Try it for yourself and notice the difference before and after turning on this late night feature. The next tip is a very useful tip for reorganizing your home screen. If you have to move multiple applications to a different home page, you don't have to do them individually. What you can do is go into jiggle mode, continue holding that one icon, and to move different applications, click on them, and as you can see, it will club all those applications together and you can move them around easily to different pages. This will help you in reorganizing your home screen very quickly. Now let's talk about the Notes app. If you have some sensitive information in one of your notes that you don't want others to see, what you can do is you can lock the note by pressing this button. Now select the lock option to lock the note with the help of Face ID, Touch ID or passcode. Also, what you can do is you can pin the note so that it always appears at the top of your screen. The last tip for today is also related to the Notes app. Now you can directly scan your important documents in the Notes app. What you have to do is click on this camera option. Now select Scan Documents and you can scan all your important documents directly from here. Click on the shutter button and you can also resize, reshape and recolor your document. If you like the result, click on the option Keep Scan, and now you can take another picture of another document if necessary, and so on. Once you have clicked all the pictures, click on the Save option, and now you have all the important documents directly in the Notes app. Thanks a lot for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you learned some new tricks and features. Share this video with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. I have also started a new series called What's Up with Tech, in which we discuss about latest tech news. So make sure to check that out too. I will meet you soon with another tech video. Until then, goodbye.